Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be unboxing my latest order from Erin Condren. So the teacher life planner launch, lesson planner launch just released last week, and I ordered the newest teacher lesson planner, which I'm very excited to share with you guys. So let's open her up and check her out. So inside of the order comes with the back to school collection preview card. This also came in the life planner order boxes, but you get to see all of the new things coming out. I'm really excited for this new functional sticker book. I want to try it out. And then they're also coming out with a laptop stand, which looks pretty fun. So new items coming soon in July. And then I also ordered a new cover. I've had my eye on this cover for a while, and I finally just grabbed it on this because I'm probably going to take the cover off of the planner that I ordered. But this cover is an Easy Gives Back cover. So this is one of the, I want to make sure I get the artist's name correct, so I'm looking it up. Sorry guys. This is the Oasis Life Planner cover, and it was created by Melissa Covey. It is part of the Black History Month collection that launched this year, and I just love it. I think it's so beautiful, and I loved everything from that collection, but this is one of the covers that I really wanted to grab, and I'm probably going to put this on here. We will see, but it's just a beautiful, beautiful cover. So I grabbed that, and then I grabbed the 7x9 Erin Condren Teacher Lesson Planner, and it is a focused teacher lesson planner. Y'all know I love this, so I use a teacher lesson planner for work, and when I saw the 7x9 was an option, because my biggest complaint is how big it is, I of course had to grab it. Because it was focused, it came with the vegan leather cover, and so I know people are probably going to be like, why are you going to remove the cover? I just want to switch it out for an interchangeable cover. I like the vegan leather covers. I really do, but I just really want to be able to switch it out with interchangeable covers, and I wish they had that option with this line. But yeah, we're going to do a full flip on this, and then I'll share more on how I'm using it. And then I wanted to share the other items that came in the box. So I got this on launch day, so you get some freebies. So this came with a heart dual tip list marker, and then the lanyard, which is the color blend lanyard. So those were the freebies and everything for my order. And so as I mentioned, this is the Focus Teacher Lesson Planner in 7x9, which is brand new. It's the first time that they've done a 7x9 teacher lesson planner that I know of, at least. And I am just really looking forward to trying this out. So I like to use a teacher lesson planner for work. I am not a teacher, but it can be used for anything. There's people who also use it as like a weekly planner. Playing with Lyric on Instagram has some of the best designs that I've seen. She uses a teacher lesson planner for her planner, and you can really use it for anything. But let's go ahead and do a flip. So this is a 12-month planner. Mine starts in July. There are a lot of things in here because it is a teacher lesson planner. So up front you have like an all about me page, resources, websites, events, and then volunteer contact information. So if you like eliminate classroom, this can really be used for anything. I like to put different items in here for work. You also have a communication log. This is where in my teacher lesson planner, it's at work, I would show you guys. I use this to track like IT communications, and what else? I have an IT page, and then I have a vendor list of when we reach out to different vendors. So you can use this for so many different things. And then you get a year plan. So you get 2022 to 2023. And then you get your 12 boxes. Then you get your graph pages. A list of holidays for 2022 and 2023. and then a note sheet, and then you go into your months. So really, as y'all can see, it looks just like a normal planner, except for, you know, the all about me events and communication logs. So if you didn't want to use these and you just wanted to get the teacher lesson planner to use it for, you know, the weekly pages, you can really just keep all these together, and then you just have your, like, you can use all these for whatever you'd like, and you have graph pages as well. As for the months, you get a overview page as well as a dates to remember page with a checkbox. I'm sorry, not page, section. And then you get your monthly calendar, previous and then upcoming months. And again, just love that focused minimal design. And then here are your weeks, y'all. This is perfect. So you get, let's see, 1, 2, 3. You get 4 lines, technically 5 if you use the bottom. And I was honestly concerned about the size, but this looks like a pretty decent size. To compare it to the life planner boxes, they look pretty comparable in my opinion. Yeah, so in your life planner, these boxes are 1.6 inches, and they're a little less than 1.6 inches. So they're essentially the same size as the columns in the life planner, which gives you plenty of room to work with, and there's nothing on there. So just a nice structured page, and that's what I'm really looking forward to. So as y'all know, if you've been following me for a while, I am I am now a marketing director for our organization, and so I was previously a marketing manager. I just got promoted, but I'm planning to use this to divide our different business entities that we have different marketing plans for, and that way it keeps everything organized. You can also divide this by job function. So if you are just like a regular marketing manager and you want to use this to track like social media, paid search, events, different aspects or elements of your job, you can do it that way. If you're a consultant, I feel like this works really well if you want to track what you're doing and where you're at. There's just so many ways that this can be used, but I'm really excited to try this out. I have really been looking forward to this planner. So as I mentioned, it's 12 months. So let's head to the back and I'll show y'all what is in the back. So it goes to June. I'm of course going to move in early. I'll have a separate video on that. After June, you have your some note pages, and then you have your checklists. So really this is for grading, of course, or maybe attendance, or tracking assignments for students, but you can use this for different things. So in the past, I have used this for tracking progress on campaigns and management of different projects. So really you can make it to whatever you want. You can make it so that you can use it however you want. I'm sorry guys, I cannot talk today. And then it looks like you get 7 checklist pages. So you have plenty in there, and then you have a blank space, and then you have this really nice focused folder in the back. I really love how nice and clean this looks. So you can store whatever you need in here, and I wish all the planner pocket folders look like this, because this is like really clean and professional. And then yeah, that is the Erin Condren teacher lesson planner, the Focus 7x9 in the Harbor Vegan leather. And I will have a video soon about moving in early and how I'm going to set this up. But other than that, that is my most recent Erin Condren haul, and that is going to be it for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. And thank you guys so much for watching.